In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play 2-player in Jump Force PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up an additional controller so you will be able to do player battles in Jump Force. You will be able to do this on any console, including PlayStation 4. So the first requirement, like I mentioned, is to connect an additional controller. So you will be able to connect the DualShock 4 to your console, either with a cable, so a wired connection, or wirelessly, whatever you prefer. Once you have the additional DualShock 4 controller connected, all that you have to do is launch Jump Force, and once you get inside of the game, you might be prompted to assign a user account to that controller. This is very important. Either assign a pre-existing PlayStation Network profile or account, or just choose to use it as a guest, whichever one you prefer. But you need to choose one of those to make sure that the controller is properly set up. Once this is done and you are inside of the game, if you roam around the map, you will eventually be able to find the offline battle counter. So this is going to be a specific location on the lobby, and all that you have to do is go over to the offline battle counter. When you interact with the NPC, you will be able to choose between various options, including player 1 versus player 2. So all that you have to do in this menu is choose the secondary option, P1 versus P2, and this will allow you to play against your friend. So you will be able to customize some rules, so use character level, the amount of rounds, and the time limit. Choose those options according to your preference, and once you load in, both players will be able to choose their own characters and play against each other. So all that you have to do is go over to the offline battle counter, and once both of you are already up, player 1 will be able to start the match, and you can do the battle. You can repeat this as many times as you wish, and as long as you have an additional controller connected to your PlayStation 4, you will be able to get this set up and play together against each other. I hope I was able to help you on how to play 2-player in Jump Force PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.